Hello students, welcome back to online video classes. Okay, dear students, in previous video we discussed about the curry and the narrator. Okay, and what we discussed in previous video, we discussed that the curry, how he likes that banana, if fond of banana, how he stole the bananas from the dining hall or dining table. Okay, and then the narrator found him who was the thief. Actually, the narrator's family blame the servant first and then blame the narrator. But actually, those who stole that bananas or fruits, the curry was the thief. Okay. So now in previous video we discussed that, and now today's video we are going to discuss about the curry's learning process. Okay, how he learned various things. Okay, actually we know that there are animals, they learn very fast, like dog. Okay, if you teach them something, they learn various very fast. Okay, so how the curry learn various things and how that narrator teach him, which things the narrator teach him, we will discuss in today's video. Okay, here first, curry is a fast learner. He masters all signals and sounds he is taught. There is one lesson though that an elephant takes 5 years to learn. Curry is no exceptions. Okay, here we just discussed the curry is a fast learner, like various animals like dog. Curry is also fast learner, and then he mastered all signals, whatever that narrator taught him, and the sound signals, whatever the narrator taught him, he learned very fast and he became master on that signals and sounds, whatever the narrator taught him. Okay, then there is one lesson. Actually, there is one lesson that uh, the curry or the elephant, they need to learn this lesson and take 5 years long time. मतलब एक जो लेसन है वो सीखने के लिए नरेटर को सिखाने के लिए नरेटर को 5 years लगे, और कौन सा भी हाथी क्यों ना हो, वो हाथी को ये लेसन सीखने के लिए that need 5 years. Okay, and which lesson that we'll discuss in today's video. Okay, now an elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. As you teach a child. Okay, here like a child. Okay, if you have at your home there is small boy, girl, or child, then we teach him or her about how to speak, like words, papa, mummy, dada. These types of words we teach to our boy, small boy or child at your home. Like same, we also need to teach like that animals like elephant, dog. Okay, and here the narrator also said about that elephant also must to think about, to taught about what to when to sit, when to walk, and when to go fast, and when to go slow. Okay, these things also need to teach him. Then these things you teach like a child. Just discuss whatever we discuss, whatever we teach to child, like same we should teach like child to that animal or elephant. If you say dhal and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Okay, here the word dhal, D-H-A-T, dhal. It means if you say dhal, अगर आप उसे धर कहोगे and pull him by the ear, when you say dhar to that elephant and you pull him by the ear, and then he will gradually know that or learn that to sit down. Actually, dhar meaning is sit down. What is the meaning of dhar? Dhar means sit down. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. Okay, here Mali means the signal to walk. The difference, Dhad means sit down and Mali means the signal to walk. Okay, how Mali, what to do in Mali? Mali pull his trunk, the animal, the elephant's trunk forward, and he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. Okay, how they teach the elephant, Dhat and Mali. Okay, just discuss about the meaning. Dhat means sit down and Mali means walk, signal to walk. Okay, understood what is meant by Dhat and Mali. Okay, now next paragraph. Curry learned Mali after 3 lessons. Okay, 3 times. Narrator taught him 3 times. Then Curry learned what is meant by Mali. Then, but it took 3 weeks to learn Dhat. Okay, in only 3 lessons, Curry learned what is meant by Mali, but it takes 3 weeks to learn Dhat. माली जो वर्ड है वो सीखने के लिए, चलने के लिए वो इजीली सीख गया, तीन ट्राई में, 3 लेसन में वो सीख गया. लेकिन जो धत था, धत मतलब सिट डाउन, तो वो सीखने के लिए उसे 3 weeks लग गए. Then he was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Okay, here the narrator said he was not good to sit. I think he don't like to sit. And elephant should taught to sit down. हमें elephant को बिठाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, उसे बिठाना सिखाना चाहिए. But why? Because he grows taller and taller. Then you take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. And it is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying that, so that you can climb upon his back. For who would want to carry a ladder around all the time? Okay, here we should teach him to sit down. Why? Because if anyone take care of that elephant, for example, when that baby elephant, the elephant was baby, small, that time we can easily climb on the back of that elephant. But whenever that elephant grows, like 2 years, 3 years, then we cannot climb that elephant's back. Why? Because the elephant grows very big, and its height very big. That's why we cannot climb. So that's why we need to teach him how to sit down, and we need to teach him dhat. Okay, and if we do not teach him dhat or sit down, then we should carry the ladder. Why? Why we need to carry the ladder? Because if we didn't teach him that dhat, we need to carry the ladder, and using that ladder we can climb on the back of elephant. Okay, अगर हमने उसे धत सिखाई नहीं, वो बड़ा होने के बाद हम उसके ऊपर चढ़ सकते हैं क्या, बैठ सकते हैं कि उसके ऊपर नहीं, तो उससे ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए हमें एक लैडर लगानी पड़ेगा, सीढ़ी जो होती है वो लगानी पड़ेगी, और उसके ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए उस सीढ़ी का यूज करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसे धत जो है, सिट डाउन जो है वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम हर जगह तो लैडर लेकर नहीं जा सकते. तो लैडर लेने की वजह हम उसे धत और सिट डाउन इजीली सिखा सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू टीच एन एलिफेंट इज द मास्टर कॉल. ओके, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज master call. Okay, we just discussed how to what is meant by that and what is meant by Mali. Here the last and important call, master call. Master call is like a lesson. It is also lesson for elephant. And what is in the master call? He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. Okay, that elephant, the Curry also take 5 years to learn this master call. And he is not exception, because all the elephants, if anyone teach that elephant, it takes 5 years to learn master call. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound, as if a snake and tiger were fighting each other, and you have to make that kind of noise in his ear. Okay, here what is meant by master call? Master call is like a strange hissing, hissing and howling sound. मतलब एक देखो, जब दैट स्नेक और टाइगर जैसे एनिमल जब लड़ रहे होते हैं, इन दोनों के बीच में जब लड़ाई हो रही होती, जब वो साउंड निकालते हैं दोनों भी, तो उस तरह से जब आवाज हम उस करी के कान में, नहीं तो किसी एलिफेंट के कान में करेंगे, तब वो क्या होता है, मास्टर कॉल होता है। तो वो फिर बाद में वो आवाज निकाल सकता है। एंड डू यू नो व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट an elephant to do when you give him the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and everything is black except the stars above, you dare not say very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep and run from branch to branch. Okay, here last four lines remain. You can see them in the moonlight and you can almost see the stags running in all directions below. You can hear the growl of tiger in the distance. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and next. Soon you will find that he has made a road through the jungle straight to your house. Okay, here in the master call, what is important in master call? We just discussed what is mean by master call. If there is a fighting between the snake and tiger, they make sound, and that sound should make that who take care of that elephant in that elephant's ear. मतलब हमें मास्टर कॉल मतलब क्या होता है, दोनों के बीच में किन दोनों के बीच में, स्नेक और टाइगर के बीच में जब झगड़ा होता है, तब वो आवाज, जैसी आवाज आती है उस तरह की आवाज हमें क्या करनी होती है, एलिफेंट के कान में सुनानी होती है। और जब कोई खतरे में होता है, उसका मालिक वगैरह कोई खतरे में होता है, तब वो आवाज देता है, तब वो एलिफेंट क्या करता है, वो आवाज सुनकर वो आता है। तो वो कैसे आता है, क्या क्या चीजें करता है, वो हम सीखने वाले, देखने वाले। इफ द मास्टर कॉल, इफ यू आर लॉस्ट इन अ जंगल and there is no way out. Okay, if you lost in jungle, if you don't know the how to go at your home, there is black things are there, not stay very long that area, and the only things to what to do that time, you need to give master call to your elephant. If you have elephant, then you can give the master call, and then your elephant, it will cut the trees. How? With the help of his trunk, and he pulls down that trees one by one and many trees, then he make the road. मतलब वो क्या करता है, जब आप मास्टर कॉल दोगे उसे, तो वो एक एक ट्री को उखाड़ने लगता है, तोड़ने लगता है, और उस चीज की वजह से सारे एनिमल्स डर जाते हैं। उसमें टाइगर, मंकी, ये सब चिल्लाने लगते हैं, आवाज करने लगते हैं मंकी, और इधर उधर भागने लगते। तो वो क्या करता है, ये सब ट्रीज तोड़कर आपके घर की तरफ, जहाँ पर आपको जाना है, उसे जाना है, तो उस घर की तरफ वो क्या बना लेता है, रोड बना लेता है ये सब चीजें तोड़कर, ये सब ट्रीज तोड़कर। ओके, सो दिस इज द लेसन ब्रिंगिंग अप curry. Okay, this is bringing up curry. Actually, this is the lesson or the story written by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee, and this is the story from Curry. The Elephant is the book based on this elephant. Okay, and the narrator we just discussed in today's video, and today we just finished the lesson bringing up curry. Okay, hope so you understood whatever we discussed in all the videos in bringing up curry. If you have any difficulty, then you can ask me. Okay, so dear students, today we stop here, and the remaining part, whatever the remaining part means, question and answers and new words from the lesson, we will discuss in next video. Thank you very much.